9 p.m., I get the call. Someone once told me that life's a yoke, but this one won't be laughing no more. This city is full of rotten eggs, but it's my city, Egg City, where crimes come by the dozen. I was exhausted. All I wanted to do was close shop, grab a quick drink, and count some sheep. But then, she came in.
Dr. Benedict, I've been framed!
Lorraine had been framed. But how could she know? I had that picture framed months ago.
Dr. Benedict?
Oh, right. Yes.
I'm innocent. I need your help. Gary was an old college friend. He came to see my show last night, and that was the last time I saw him. I swear! This is so terrible!
Don't worry, baby cakes. I will get to the bottom of it. You go to the theater and get ready for your show tonight. Me? I'll get cracking on this case right away.
Thank you, Dr. Benedict. Egbert, will I see you tonight at my show?
Maybe I'll be there. Maybe I won't.
I'll sing your favorite song. In thanks. Hello, everybody. My name is Kiche Lorraine. How are you all doing tonight? This one is for an old friend. This one's for you, Egbert. My funny Valentine, sweet comet Valentine.
I had never missed a show, but tonight I had more pressing matters. I had to set Lorraine free.
Hey,